Buzzword time! The biggest thing with the upcoming iOS 17.2 is that Apple is looking to make it more personal. And I know, personal is this big buzzword that's been thrown around all over the past decades. Personalize this, personal that, blah. But check this out. First, we have the new Journal app. Now, this is here to help you if you're having trouble with mindfulness, journaling, reflecting on the good things in your life. It will help you log important moments and thoughts by nudging you with smart suggestions. Anyway, this is where it gets kinda crazy. Checking out the privacy settings of the Journal app, it can get suggestions from your fitness activity for the day, what you've been listening to, the people you called, the photos you took, or if you spent some time at some landmark. And if it detects that you've been near specific people, it will suggest that you log in that moment you spent together. It looks like Apple is trying to make a new iMessage out of this. Imagine, someone is a green bubble and they don't appear in your journal. Pfft, that person's dead to me. Journal your thoughts on the matter in the comments below. But that's not the only reason I called iOS 17.2 more personal. When you launch the Photos app, you will be asked to grant it permission to use your Apple Music library. Now, the Photos Memories feature did use Apple Music to pull soundtracks from before, but they were at random, whatever the bot thought was best, right? I'm assuming that now that Photos wants access to my music library, it will match my favorite song to, the Memories album, but nothing has come up yet. Keeping up in the same theme, iOS 17.2 will let you make shared playlists in Apple Music. You just start making the playlist and share a link or QR code with your buddies. The secret here is that people that join the playlist don't need an Apple Music subscription in order to add their favorite songs. So basically, everybody gets to join in the fun. Now that's uncharacteristic. Oh, and by the way, the dynamic circles wallpaper is back. This is a wallpaper that was released way back with the iPhone 5C, I believe, and it seems it still had its fans because when Apple finally removed it in iOS 17, there was a minor uproar online. Well, in iOS 17.2 Beta 3, we can clearly see that it is in the wallpaper section. Pick it here, swipe to change colors, or set it to dark mode from here. There, perfection! Now I will never use it again. iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will finally be able to record spatial video with iOS 17.2 Beta 3. This lets you record videos that can later be viewed on the Apple AR/VR goggles, which are yet to come out. To enable it, go to Camera Formats and toggle Spatial Video for Apple Vision Pro. A minute of recording should take about 130 megabytes, so keep that in mind. A word changed with the keyboard. If you're tired of seeing iOS predict every word in your text field, you can now go to General, Keyboard and disable Show Predictions inline. This will stop that weird autocomplete from appearing as you type, but word suggestions will still appear at the top of the keyboard here. There are 3 new weather widgets. One can show you more details, one with the daily forecast, and my favorite, the sunrise and sunset one. And a new digital clock widget. These are the major changes with the beta so far. Now, iOS 17.2 public is expected to drop in December, so if you don't want to risk installing a beta on your main phone, just hang in for a month more. Thanks for checking out our video, drop a sub, lift a thumb, see you next time.